Hi, Dawn from Interact here. So here we go. When you first sign in, you will see a little pop-up that asks you which industry you're in, and you can skip that if you want, or you can click it. It's great. And when you click that, what it will do is bring up the quiz templates that work best for your industry. If you don't see what you like, that's totally fine. I wholeheartedly recommend looking through all of the quiz templates. As of this day, there are, I believe, almost 150 conversion focused templates that us over at the team, the Shanti Zach marketing team, have been creating for you for the last 2 years. And I believe we're going to be working on 1 to 10 per week moving forward. So if you don't see what you're looking for in your industry, look through the rest. You can definitely use what's there in any of them for inspiration, and keep checking back because we will be adding new ones regularly. Having said that, I'm going to go to copywriting because that's what I do by trade. But sometimes I also do some life coaching for real. And sure, I'm a leader in a couple of communities, so I could look at all of these maybe to find the right lead gen quiz for me. You might play the same sort of game. If you're in e-commerce, you might want to look at like the jewelry as well as the skincare and the wellness, just to see if something in there sparks your interest or is the exact one for you. Anyway, having said that, we'll go with copywriting, and we will go with what's your email writing style. Oh, but perhaps before we do, I'll just click right here and you can see that that's how you get to our chat, and also how you can search the help docs, of which there are like thousands of them. Jared or any of our other customer success managers will answer you super quickly if it's between 9 to 5 Pacific time, Monday to Friday. And like, I ask Jared questions all the time. He is really happy to answer them. So please do not be afraid to ask questions if you have them. We are all here for you. I'm going to show and play with the email writing style. I love writing emails. Here's the deal. You can hit preview and just check out the quiz. It'll show you all of the questions and the results. Sorry if that speed scrolling made you seasick, or I guess motion sick. If you want to use the template, you can click right here, or you can click away from the screen and click right here. So that's going to load it in the builder.